Farmer's Market is the informational text paired read for the story An Orange in January. Now that you're done listening to the story An Orange in January, we're going to listen to this informational text called Farmer's Market. And you are going to learn all about the journey of different types of fruits and vegetables and how they get to the local markets and to faraway markets too. Farmer's Market. Look at the farmer's stands. They are filled with fresh foods. Who grows the vegetables and fruits? How did they get there? Farmers grow fruits and vegetables. Some farmers grow squash in the fall. Others grow peas in the spring. Vegetables grow in different ways. Peas grow on vines. Carrots grow underground. Corn stalks grow above the ground. Farmers grow many fruits. Oranges grow on trees. Blueberries grow on bushes. Grapes grow on vines. Some farmers sell their foods nearby. They bring their crops to local markets. They take them to the market in trucks. Other farmers sell their foods far away. They send crops on trains to other states. Some crops are sent on airplanes or boats. What will you buy at the market? Everything is fresh and delicious. There are so many choices. Make a list and get started. Thank you so much for listening to the story Farmer's Market with me. Now you know how all these different fruits and vegetables grow and their journey to get to you. I hope that you appreciated the story, and then I hope that you also eat lots of fruits and vegetables and stay healthy. Thank you for listening. I will read to you again later. Bye.